Hello and happy Mixed Up Monday. So this Mixed Up Monday, we are mixing up Restore. Restore, if you never tried this before, is lavender and eucalyptus. Yes, perfect name for it is Restore. And then we're going to mix that up with lemon verbena. So this is in the lemongrass family. So it's actually a type of grass as well. And it smells so good. Like I love this one. I love this one in my kitchen more than I do the lemongrass. So this week we're going to mix up Restore, and we're going to mix it up with some lemon verbena. Now if you're not a fan of lemon verbena, you can try just lemon or lemongrass, or you can try the lemongrass or eucalyptus, and it'll match well with the lavender and eucalyptus. Now let me show you other stuff in the store that contains also lavender or lemon. So we have wax melts that are in lavender and lemon. So you can pair them together, put them together. And I also have one that is lemongrass and eucalyptus. So you can also pair these two together as well if you like wax melts better. Then we have the room sprays. That's lavender and chamomile. So that's when you want to relax. And I sprayed like the linen on our bed 30 minutes before we go to bed, and it's wonderful. And then I have the lavender room spray and cool lavender. Now cool lavender is lavender, eucalyptus, and peppermint. So this is a good one too, especially this time of year if you're trying to keep bugs and stuff from around your window sills or around your doors. Just spray a little bit of this on there. This also is in the scented oil as well, diffuser oil. And you can put that diffuser oil inside your bottle a bottle that sprays, and spray it all around your doors, all around your car, in your garage, everywhere. Great. And then the last item I want to share that also has both of those in it is lavender lemon. So this has the lavender and the lemon in it, and this is one of the deodorants that I use myself. I like this one personally for myself, and you can come in and try out the deodorants because there's one that will work for you. Happy Mixed Up Monday!